Hey, what's up YouTube? So, here making a video today showing you guys like everything that I use on thinkorswim. So when I analyze stocks, I make drawings, I have studies that I apply. This is my study set, I could show you. See, I use RSI, EMA, MACD. And when you use all these things together, it really gives you a good idea of which direction the stock's gonna move. So I'm gonna make a step-by-step playlist showing each of these studies on their own and how to use them fully. So eventually I can make videos combining all of them. So yeah, go check out my Stocks 101 playlist, and that's really going to help you understand how these stocks work. So make sure you also get this application called thinkorswim. I'll put a link in the description below. All you have to do is make an account with TD Amtrade and you can have full access to this software. There's also a free trial if you don't want to make an account and you want to test it out first. But yeah, the whole thing is free, so go try it out.